It's gooey, it's delicious, it's cheesy, and it's a remix of the grilled cheese on this week's episode of Recipe Remix. Leaving Sonic, we have got a grilled cheese. I figured grilled cheese, Sonic, it's American. We'll remake this bad boy. Let's look at this thing. I haven't opened it yet. Let's see what it's all about. Sonic. Ooh, that is not very yummy looking. It's just kind of like flat, like somebody kind of sat on it. Let's see the texture. Oh, yeah, not very. What do you think? Not very. I'm not digging that. Let's. It's very greasy too. I don't think that it was worth eating. It really is just super greasy. So this is. I'm not very happy with that. They could have done a lot better. It doesn't look anything like the picture. Speaking of the picture, let's break out the nutrition facts. Sonic grilled cheese. I'm on the website. See, it doesn't it doesn't look anything like the website. Sometimes it does though. Sometimes the food's accurate. Very greasy. Let's view the nutritional info. We've got 410 calories, saturated fats only at 7 grams. It's not too bad. Total fat 18 grams. Overall, not so bad. 20 grams of protein. I'm gonna call BS on that. There's no way that has 20 grams of protein. There's not a chance in the world. Sodium super high, which we knew that was gonna be high. So it's pretty bad actually. And like I said, definitely not what we got on the menu here. We're gonna remix this thing into the geared up grilled cheese. It's gonna have spinach, feta, got the ingredients right here, mozzarella. Let's do this. First step, garlic and spinach. Let's head over to the stove. We're gonna take the minced garlic. We're gonna use a clove of that. If you're wondering what a clove is, I'll show you right here. There's a little pinch. That much, perfect. Toss it on, spread it around a little bit, and this is gonna make up the bulk of the flavor. Little pinch of, I got extra light olive oil. You just need a little pinch to moisten the pan. Turn it on. I use medium. I'm gonna scatter that around like so. As you're moving it around, you'll be able to smell it aerating and cook, but you want to let that happen for about 2 minutes. Let it get nice and hot. Now that the garlic's searing, cooking, popping, smelling great, all you're gonna do is take some spinach, take about 1 or 2 handfuls, toss it right on top. Smells so good. Now, don't be afraid to toss in a lot because it will cook down. Just gonna make sure that I'm getting all the edges of the spinach here. I can already tell we're gonna smash this Sonic grilled cheese. This is high end, very high end. And it's super easy to do. And that's all you need is just a minute or so. Got it nice and cooked down. All right, now that we got this, last step, we'll be ready to rock. The whole grain wraps, you can get breaded wraps, anything will work. I just grabbed these little soft wraps. I'm gonna take 2, because we got enough for 2 here. And we're gonna start with our mozzarella. So, depending on how cheesy you want it, just kind of go free range with it. Get it nice and cheesy. And this is the fun part. You can kind of do your own thing here. There's a lot of things you can add if you want. You could add chicken. But we're just gonna stick to the grilled cheese. Keep it like this. Next step, take your cooked spinach. Get that on there, spread it around evenly. Load them up. This is gonna be your iron, your zinc, and that's a whole leg up from that Sonic. And now for the feta cheese, this is gonna give it that extra gooey flavor. This is your flavor beast right here. This is gonna make it incredibly tasty, give you that boutique feel. And you can kind of put this on sparingly as well. Just want to blanket that nice and even. Flatten it down. And what I'm gonna do, there's a couple different ways we can do this. You could do it with a pan. I've got the trusty George Foreman right here. You guys might have seen me on Snapchat cooking my chicken with this thing. This thing is kind of my beast. It does everything. So we're gonna take them, put it on sear. Drop these bad boys on here. And I could probably beat Panera on the game. And we're just gonna keep an eye on this. You don't wanna go too far because these will burn. Just wanna hang out a minute and wait till the smell starts to aerate. Check on them. Should be good to go in a few minutes. Check these bad boys, only been a minute, a few minutes. Oh, these are coming out great. Oh, these, I smashed this remix. These are perfect. So here we go. We have our geared up grilled cheese. Let's do this. Let's cut down the middle. Let's see how great these look. Remember what the rip looked like on that version? Oh, that's perfect. Gooey center. And there we have it. Let's do the comparison. Let's see how it stacks up together. This is so much more delicious, so much more nutritious, and to be honest, it's cheaper to make. So there you have it. Remix is done. Look at that. Smash another one on Recipe Remix. Now I'm gonna go enjoy my geared up grilled cheese. Give me the comments. Let me see your recipe. Let me see you make this one. This one is incredible and it's easy to make. I'll catch you on next week's episode of Recipe Remix. Be sure to share this, like, follow Ryan Engel Fitness so you don't miss any of these. And if I don't talk to you on Snapchat or Facebook Messenger, I'll catch you next week. So it turns out I'm actually a pretty good cook. And guess what else? I made a cookbook. This is the Kickstart Cookbook. 60 delicious macro-friendly recipes. Tap the link and give it a look.